Picture this. You paste a 2-paragraph discovery note into a single prompt, and within seconds the model returns a recommended price band, a 1-page proposal, contract clauses tuned to risk, and a 3-step follow-up that actually converts.
Welcome, I'm Marcus Chen. Today on AI and Future of Work, we build what I call the Price Right Engine, a travel-ready workflow that turns leads into retainers with less hustle.
Hold up. One prompt that does all that? Sounds like a lot to trust to automation.
Fair point. It's not magic, it's layering. A compact capture, a lightweight market signal, a value multiplier, and a template merge. Put together, they look enormous, but you can assemble an MVP in 30 minutes.
Quick anecdote. Marcus, you once closed a deal while on a ferry, right?
Yeah, I was on a ferry in Lisbon without a laptop for half an hour, and a follow-up automation nudged a prospect to sign that same afternoon. It saved me a week of chasing.
Here's how the pieces fit in plain language. Capture the brief, add market signals, even manual, compute a value-based band, generate the proposal and contract, then automate sends and follow-ups.
Flow in one sentence. Form to sheets to AI to proposal.
Wait, do you insist on a budget field? That's a touchy one with clients.
Yes, but optional. Keep the form under 6 fields: project summary, top 3 goals, timeline, budget range optional, decision maker, and one must-have outcome line. That minimal set feeds the model and your sheet's calculations without scaring leads off.
Okay, so the market signal step. Scraping on the road sounds flaky. What's the fallback when you're offline?
Good catch. Use a manual competitor cell in Sheets as a fallback. 3 competitor rates you paste in, or quick SERP checks when you have signal. The model doesn't need perfect market data to produce a useful band. It needs direction.
Now, here's the exact prompt/stack I hand to clients. Paste this into your model. You are a pricing analyst. Given the client brief below, competitor rate samples in CSV, and our value multipliers, recommend a price band, low, suggested, high, a 1-paragraph pricing rationale, 3 negotiation lines, and payment terms. Output JSON with keys, price low, price mid, price high, rationale, objections, payment terms.
Nice. I like that it returns structured JSON for templates. What's the recommended no-code stack for a travel-proof MVP?
Keep it lightweight. Typeform or Webflow form to Google Sheets as your signal and calc layer. OpenAI or Anthropic for inference. Make.com or Zapier to orchestrate. Google Docs or Webflow for proposals. DocuSign and Stripe for signatures and payments. You can run most of it on free tiers.
All right, walk me through an implementation sprint, but break it into listener-friendly chunks.
Minute 05, create a short discovery form and a landing copy that invites honest answers. Minute 5 to 12, wire a Make or Zapier ZOP to append submissions to Google Sheets, including 3 competitor rate cells. Minute 12 to 20, set up the model call. Map the discovery text, competitor CSV, and a value multiplier cell to the prompt. Minute 20 to 25, parse JSON into a Google Doc template. Minute 25 to 30, set DocuSign to send and schedule follow-ups at day 2 and day 7 if unsigned.
You mentioned value multiplier earlier. Explain the math without the jargon.
Simple spreadsheet logic. Baseline equals your floor price. Estimate client outcome value, revenue uplift or cost saved. Multiplier equals 1 plus outcome value divided by baseline times 0.1. Then price mid equals baseline times multiplier. Add floor equals baseline times 0.8, and ceiling equals baseline times 2.5. Flag any suggested price above ceiling for manual review.
I want a copy-ready objection script for follow-ups. 1 opener and 1 close, please.
I get it. Budget is tight. 2 options. We phase the work into a smaller first tranche, or we align payments to measurable results. Which would you prefer? If we commit by Friday, I'll prioritize onboarding and include a 10% early start discount for month 1. Does that help you decide? Drop those into your day 2 and day 7 follow-ups.
Now for the friction. I'm not sure I buy fully automated contracts. Models hallucinate, and legal requirements vary by jurisdiction.
Totally fair.
and I agree. We keep humans in the loop. Mandatory manual review for the first 3 deals per client, an needs legal review checkbox in the doc template, and an automation rule that requires sign-off if price mid exceeds your ceiling.
Good. Add a liability cap placeholder and a footer transparency note that AI-assisted pricing. Make those non-optional automation steps.
Will do. And one more guardrail. For cross-border or high-risk contracts, trigger the consult counsel workflow automatically when the contract value or jurisdiction flag is set.
Let's be blunt on outcomes. How does this translate into income for Nomads?
Real example. One freelancer cut proposal time from 4 hours to 20 minutes. Conversion jumped from 18% to 32% after adding personalization tokens and quick follow-ups. That produced 2 extra 5K retainers in a quarter without more hours. For Nomads, that's fewer chase days and more stable visa qualifying retainers.
One short failure mode recap. Mispricing, hallucinations, and over-automation. Mitigations, manual review, margin buffers, legal checklist, and always a human personalization before send. Don't outsource judgment.
Ready for a practical 20-minute action step you can run right now? Copy this into your chat model. Audit my pricing. Read the client brief below and 3 competitor rates. Calculate a suggested price band and list 3 reasons a client would accept the higher band. If the suggested mid-price exceeds my ceiling, recommend a phased plan that reduces upfront cost but preserves long-term value. Replace the brief and rates with your current lead and run it. Then paste the mid-price into your proposal template.
And if listeners want templates, a make import, and a legal checklist, where do they go next?
Enroll in the Pricing Automation mini course. It includes the downloadable prompt pack, pre-built make workflow, Google Doc and DocuSign templates, plus a 60-minute review to check your first 3 proposals. Automate the ordinary, amplify the extraordinary. Head to nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. This changes everything for Nomads.
Final tip. Start small. Run 1 automated proposal per week. Fix the edges, then scale. The human plus AI advantage beats full automation every time.
That's your AI blueprint for today. Ready to implement this at a higher level? Enroll at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary.